Okay, as we are calculating total surface area and lateral area and volume, if you didn't get all of this written down, it will be posted on Google Classroom as a document. Lateral area, you need to write the formulas for the area of all faces, but that means you also need to determine the faces, and you are excluding the bases. Calculate those areas and add them up. Surface areas, calculate the area of the base or bases and add that to the lateral area. Volume, when you're calculating volume, identify the shape. It's either a rectangular prism or a rectangular pyramid, or a triangular prism and a triangular pyramid. That should be those are the only 4 things that you're going to be tested on the 13th. Choose an appropriate volume formula. What were the formulas for the volume of a prism? And I need them to be said correctly. Volume equals big B times height. This is a prism, and it's a formula, so it goes in a box. Pyramids. Volume equals. I think you should be writing this down. Yes. Big BH divided by 3 or 1/3 big BH. Okay? Those two are important. So, jumping right into the shapes that we have in our last page. We've got total and lateral surface area for this triangular pyramid. And then what kind of pyramid is this?
Rectangular.
A rectangular pyramid. Good, you looked at the base. I need to calculate the lateral area and the total surface area. I wrote these backwards, but let's do lateral first. So looking at this guy right here, what do I have? What are my lateral faces? Triangles. How many?
4.
My lateral faces? Okay, you're guessing, ladies and gentlemen. Lateral faces are what? What is the definition? You need to look in your notes. You have this information. I don't want any guesses. I'd much rather you answer a delayed answer and a correct one than a quick incorrect one, and then have other quick incorrect ones because you're just guessing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then when I say the correct answer and you're like, I know, but I said it. No, I want you to say it with accuracy and precision.
Formulas for the area of.
What are lateral faces?
Right. Calculating those areas.
Which 3?
The one that got 6 centimeters.
Yes, the one that has 6 centimeters. This 2 has 6 centimeters. But this is 7.4 as the base. This 2 has 6 centimeters. And this is 8.2 as this base. This is an isosceles triangle. So that means 2 sides and 2 angles are the same. This one's just a little different. So I have 3 triangles. 2 are the same. 1 is different. So the 2 that are the same, A equals 2 times 2. What's the formula? What am I writing here? Area of a what? Which is what? Base times height divided by 2. So the same 2 triangles, base times height divided by 2. And this one's base times height divided by 2. What's my base and my height here for these 2? 6 and 8.2, 6 and 8.2. So 6 times 8.2 divided by 2. It's not 48.2. And then the other triangle, 7.4 times 6, then what? Divided by 2. So my two triangles are 6 times 8.2 divided by 2. What's half of 6?
3.
3 times 8.2, which is 8.2 times 3.
6.
Sorry. Then what? Pay attention. Then what? Then what?
6. Oh, carry. Oh, 6.
6.
Put the decimal point. Put the decimal point.
No, I don't put the decimal point in the middle of a multiplication problem.
Then you do 8 times 3, and that's 24.
Thank you. Now I put the decimal at the end. How many numbers need to be at the end of the or after the decimal?
1. Then you see how many.
But I need 2 of these. So then I'm going to go back to really 48 or 49.2. 2, 4, 6
49.2.
times 2. This is 12. I understand that. I'm just double checking my work.
And that's 9. That's 9. And then 4.
And then the other triangle is base times height divided by 2, which was 7.4 times 6 divided by 2. Other triangles, 2 same, 1 different. And then half of 6 is what? 3. So it's 7.4 times 3. Come over here, work it out.
16.2. You looked at one time.
Nope, try again.
Wait, what?
Nope, try again.
Whoa.
Wait. What's your question?
Y'all.
22.2. 22.2.
22.2.
22.
7 times 3.
Okay, stay focused.
Oh, I said.
Now I need my lateral area, which is what?
What did you say?
For lateral area.
What do I have to do, ladies and gentlemen? No, I've already done splitting in half. Thank you.
Seventy.
71.4.
81.4.
71.4. I know.
Yes, 71.
Now my total surface area. What are all of the faces? What are all of the faces? How many? 3 are lateral, but what's the 4th one? Which is a what? Another triangle. So this is my lateral area. 3 triangles plus 1 triangle. This 1 triangle you just said is my base. And these 3 are my lateral area. I already know my lateral area, which is what? 71.4. Then I need to add another base times height divided by 2 because it's a triangle. Look back at that triangle. What's the base and the height of that shaded in? 7.4 and 5. 71.4 plus 7.4 times 5 divided by 2. 7.4 divided by 2 is 3. 71.4 plus 3.7 times 5. Now, let me rewrite it over here. Five times 7. 5 times 3 plus 3.
18.5.
Stay focused.
8.5.
It's 70. Wait, it's 7.4 plus 3.7, right?
No, that's not order of operations. You have to multiply first. 71.4 plus 18.5. 89.9. Good. Okay, that's your total surface area. Total surface area is 89.9. And lateral area is 71.4. So, right here, total surface area, lateral area, 71.4, 89.9. You're going to do the same thing for this rectangular pyramid, except you have two triangles that are the same, or two pairs of two triangles that are the same. So these two are the same and these two are the same. Okay, please stop calling my name. Raise your hand if you have a problem.